Had an awesome night last night watching the Buckwild Boys. How good were they?
They were good.
That was so good. Like taking some of those songs and throwing them with like fiddle and everything. It's just amazing. Yeah. So we're now, it's quite early, about 8:30. We've been up since 7:30. We are now walking to the airport. We're going to rent a car and drive to the Giant's Causeway. And I think that's going to be our day, an awesome trip up that way. So I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. Let's do this. Made it to the top, but it's super windy, so you probably can't hear any of this. So we're out here right on the edge of the Giant's Causeway. These stones are so cool.
Yeah.
It's like honeycomb. But yeah, it's just incredible. All naturally forming, which is nuts. We kind of got in trouble because we climbed at the top of that mountain up there, and apparently you're not supposed to, so they came and blew a whistle at us and told us to get down. But we snuck past him.
Yeah, we didn't get in trouble.
Nah. Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. So we climbed all the way up to the top of the cliff for what's going to be an amazing view, I reckon. So let's have a look. Experience of the Causeway, how was it?
It was beautiful.
It really was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So Emma was like, cool, I found another castle we can go check out. I'm like, awesome, let's stop and take a look. This is it. That's it. That's all that's left of this castle.
Are you disappointed?
No, I'm just annoyed that they knocked it down. No, I do like looking at Castle Woods. It's a good spot for a castle. Now you obviously cannot smell what we're smelling, but it's fresh out here, isn't it?
Of sheep dung.
Of sheep dung, yes. They're over there somewhere, all over there. So we hired a car for the day because it's better than catching a bus. We can do our own thing. And they gave us this little beast. Toyota Yaris. What noise does it make?
Vroom vroom. Stay back.
We're here at the rope bridge and we can see the rain coming in slowly. So we're trying to get to the rope bridge before we get saturated. Will we make it?
We're gonna get saturated. I saw a dolphin or something though.
There's a dolphin.
Oh, I saw a fin.
Probably be a dolphin. I'm scared shitless. That was so scary. Is that Emma?
It was fun.
I did it.
You did it. You're a bit scared.
I was a bit scared, but I made it. It was good. I don't know about the footage, I wasn't really looking. Shit, fuck, crying out loud. Keep going, Emma, keep going, just keep going. Sorry, I love you.
How does walking like that help? You look like a weirdo.
I was just trying to get across. It's a bridge we just walked across. It was scary.
Not scary.
So Emma was telling me she read, what was it, this whole situation was only built because of
Fishing.
fishing.
Salmon fishing.
Salmon. Well, I mean, salmon is good. You've got to do whatever you can to get it. For that little boat house, I don't know if you can see it. That over there, that's all it was built for. All right, car is back. We are now going to see if we can get in for the last hour of the Titanic Museum. Think we'll make it?
So it's going to take 28 minutes. We have 26 minutes.
We can do it. All right, we did it. What did you think?
That was lots of information.
Good is it, Bart?
Yeah, it is good.
There was lots of information. We only had an hour, so we didn't get to read it all. But oh my goodness, it was awesome. Highly recommended.
Yeah.
So here's the front of the Titanic. That's where it was, all the way down there. Let's walk it.
Okay. Are we third class or first class passengers?
First class.